How to change language on Google Chrome. Let's find out. Google Chrome is a widely used web browser that can be customized to suit your needs, including changing the language settings. In this video, we'll show you how to change the language on Google Chrome. The first step is to open the Chrome menu. From the Chrome menu, select the Settings option. Scroll down to the Languages section. Click on the Language option. You can add a new language by clicking the Add Languages option and selecting the desired language from the list. Once you've added the language, click on the three dots next to it and select Display Google Chrome in this language to set it as the default. Restart Google Chrome to apply the language changes. Changing the language on Google Chrome is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. Now you can browse the web in your preferred language. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.